Hello everyone. Today's video is related with food and what are the best food my children love and why they love, and what is the best thing to give it to children related with food. The food which children, probably this generation children, they like is, my children, they like pizza, pasta, pastries. So all these things I prepare at home, so they like the taste. Whenever we are making it, preparing it at home, we make sure that we prepare it healthy. Whatever we are preparing, like if it is pasta, wheat based pasta, and if it is again pizza, wheat based, and pastry, again wheat based. For pasta as well as for pizza, when we are making it from the base, for pizza, I just see that I use varieties of vegetables which they like. Usually there are few vegetables which they like really very much. Take for example of baby corn, onion, tomato, however, and paneer. So all these things mixed together with the vegetable, broccoli. These things mixed together in pizza as well as for pasta, it makes the dish healthier. So I don't restrict them, though I restrict them having these food outside, probably once in 6 months or something, I would say okay to bring from outside. But if they regularly once in a month or twice in a month, I prepare it at home accordingly. Once a week, one such thing. And apart from this, they like veg fried rice. So again, veg fried rice, I try to include all vegetables, making it healthier. And with related to breakfast, they like neer dosa, which is our traditional recipe. So they love that very much. Apart from this, ragi roti also they like, especially my younger one, he really loves it. Again, grating of carrot or some vegetable I would do as a topping for roti. If it is a rice roti, akki roti or ragi roti, I see that I give some toppings to it, rava roti. All these things, roti, basically they like it. And chapati is one which they like. Again, while making chapati, it's like parota. I grate a good lot of vegetables, grate it and already mix it along with the dough, making it. One thing which I follow is like I keep the batter of neer dosa and chapati dough always ready. So once it is empty, again I prepare it. So whenever if the children say they are hungry, I try to make some variety out of it and give it to them. Take for example of the dough, it can be chapati or parota or puri. I make it as a variety in that way. And for dosa, again neer dosa, if any vegetable is we can grind it and put, take for example of the Mangalore cucumber, or we can put bottle gourd, or we can put the tender jackfruit. Again, all these can be we can grind and put it along with the dosa rice. So this is again a varieties which they like it. And apart from this, they like dessert as gulab jamun and the payasam. They like the vermicelli payasa the most. These are few of the things which they like. And all fruits, they like almost all fruits. Basically what I follow is like 5 food group in a day. Whenever we are preparing any food for the day, I just see that all 5 food groups are included every day, which makes the things healthier. At the same time, whatever they like in the form of, it is like whether they like it in the form of veg fried with the rice or with the dosa or anything, I see that they have it all 5 food groups in a day, every day. So how do we introduce any new food to the child? If you are already following it, it is really very nice. Otherwise, many parents ask me this question, how do I introduce the new food to the child? So whenever I would suggest that when the child is small, take for example within the age of 1 year, after 6 months when you start feeding semi-solid food and approximately reaching around 10 months solid related food and 1 year birthday, I would say that whatever adults eat, 1 year child can also eat, but in smaller quantity. So I would prefer parents giving it only one new food at a time, and see that the child is able to digest it properly, and if everything goes smoothly, then try a new food later, after once you are confirmed that this food is digestible by the child. So this is how I tried for both my children when they were of that age of 6 months plus. And I always encourage them eating by themselves, whether they make it messy or whether they eat smaller quantity or anything. I make sure that they eat by themselves. Feeding is fine once in a while for our love and pampering, but eating together also would encourage as a family. Many have the habit of first feeding the child, showing here and there, showing the video, many other things, then they sit for their food. But I would suggest that you eat together as a family, or I would, when the child was very small, 6 months plus or nothing, I would eat first, so that I am not hungry and in a good mood to feed my child. So you can choose your way, but I would always say that eat together as a family, because when you are eating, the child will also see and wants to try, and you can give the child to try. So if you want your child to try a new food, the child who is already eating it, you can make the child to sit along with the child already who eats, so that there is a motivation for the child also to try. So that is one way. And one more way of introducing new food or whichever vegetable or fruit you want the child to try is present it in a form where the child likes. You can mix it, majority of the things you can grate and mix it along with, and see the nutrition value of the food. See, if some children, they don't like few vegetables, don't force them to, because even we don't like few vegetables and fruits. Just see what is the nutritional value is given, something else can compensate. So you don't have to really force the child to eat what the child really doesn't like. Go with the child cues, that is much better. And you having a healthy eating habit with ourselves, it's like a role model party is the best, because I don't store any junk at my home. So basically only like very specifically when there is some celebration or people are coming, or some extra is required, then only there is like I get it from outside. Otherwise I generally see that whatever it's available outside, I prepare it at home. To like the taste of usually it might not be the same taste what we get outside when we prepare it at home. Few of the things are much better than from outside. Few of the things the children love it from outside. So you can balance it, but don't store much of any of these fried items or sweets or aerated drinks like Pepsi, Coke or anything. So I really don't suggest such things which is not healthy for the children. So what you store, the child tends to eat. So we ourselves following a healthy habit is the most important thing under food and nutrition to be healthy, and for all-round development, like the brain development and for the physical growth and development and being healthy, the food is the most important part, and early years plays a very important role in that. So see that you give a balanced diet to the child.